bagong plate. Okay? Si Mami magsusubo sa'yo. Sige, sige.
I like these gloves.
Okay, I'll get you one. Only one. Okay, nasa sayang.
Two.
Ginagamit po ito
I like
naman.
the two.
Hindi ka siya sa'yo.
Two.
Chicken only. Hindi naman look mo. Ayan.
Ate. Ayusin ng boys. Ate na. Ay, kukuha na kita ng bagong plate. Diyan ka lang. Dali, dyan tayo ka. Mauntog ka. Nakakita ng maitim ayaw. Ito na. Bago na to. Tinat na to. Wala na. Wala na ng chicken na black. Come here. Hindi na lang. Saka magkararo. Makataklo. Halika, susunod ka sa hands mo. Dali. Papanubuhin ka. You want bubbles? Ay, you want balloon? Labas ka na dyan. Magpapanubuhin ka na natin. Dali. Like this. Come here. Show mo. Hindi mo kita dyan. Okay.
Ow. Mommy, ouchie.
Ayan.
Ouch.
Let's go.
I just want. I like daddy.
Ang daddy daw. Ang galing na.
I like ouchie.
Ayaw niya daw sa kiss ko at may amos daw yung
Ate,
Careful, okay?
ate, madala ko dito. May balon, walang balon.
Operative planning marks are
We stopped for lunch. They'd done the extraction at the back, and then we stopped to the front. And this is me with the new hairline. And
This is her currently day 4 after the surgery. So the cost of the surgery was €6,500. Included in that though is the return private transfer. So we got picked up from the airport and brought directly to the hospital.
the price also included hotel accommodation for him and his mother.
Basically everything that while we're here is taken care of.
me at 3 a.m. literally in the trenches. My head was so swollen. I was just trying to
Fortunately, his mother was there to help him.
she was just laying in the bed, tossing and turning, crying. Mum was next to me trying to look after me as best as she could. We got up to the surgeons tomorrow for the final ticket approval.
The days following the operation were terrible for him.
So we can see here, this is the final results. I had anesthesia, like basically put me to the top of my head. So the bed.
Close your eyes, take a breath, let it flow. Lead the way.
SPF 70 PA++++. Grabe ka naman, Rosmar Premium Tinted Sunscreen. And guess what, guys? SPF tested po ito. Ayan, 76 pa nga ang lumabas. So ito maganda to, guys, kasi tone adapt technology. As you can see, ayan, wala siyang tube ha. Kaya itaktak nyo lang muna. Papuntahin nyo sa may nozzle bago nyo i-press. And ang kailangan lang ng face natin ay 4 na press lang. Ay, may ketchup pa. 4 na press lang, guys. And ayan, tingnan nyo naman. At as you can see, hindi ko siya kasi, diba? Pero once you blend it, ganyan lang kabilis. Diba? Nakakita ka na ba ng tinted sunscreen na ganyan kabilis i-blend? Di ba sa Rosmar lang yan? Tingnan nyo ha, oh, dark para. Pero as you can see, ganyan lang siya kabilis i-blend. Ayan oh, tapos di ba very moisturizing siya. Pero hindi siya basa. Ayan, akala nyo lang sa umpisa, very moisturizing kasi siya. Pero kapag natuyo na yan, guys, pag nag-set na yan, matte effect yan. Literal na lightweight, para kang walang nilagay. So, ayan na nga, nag-set na siya, guys. Grabe, di ba para ako naka-foundation, para akong nag-concealer. Ayun, tingnan nyo, nilagyan ko talaga yung sa my lips. May coverage talaga siya, guys. O, di ba? Tingnan nyo naman. At lightweight pa yan, ha. No lagkit feels and hindi siya mahapdi sa mata kahit napadaanan pa yung sa matang part. So, pwede to sa mga bagets, buntis at lactating. Wait, there's more. Ayan, guys, meron na siyang whitening and anti-aging effect at goodbye pimples, dark spots, peklat ka pa dito. Kasi hindi lang to basta tinted sunscreen, para ka nang nag-skincare. Plus, non-comedogenic, kaya hindi siya nakakaklag ng pores, kaya hindi siya nakakakos ng pimples. Alam niyo naman, gamit ko to nung buntis ako hanggang ngayon, lactating mom na tayo, Rosmar Premium Tinted Sunscreen lang. So ito nga pala yung ginamit ko sa Tulfo, guys. And wala po yung makeup, walang filter, Rosmar Premium Tinted Sunscreen lang. And kaya naman, ang dami nagsasabi na parang umiilaw daw yung mukha ko. So ito lang yung ginamit ko, guys. Literal na bare face, don't care. Ayan, no filter needed kapag ka naka Rosmar Premium Tinted Sunscreen ka. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo, i-check out nyo na to. Tone Adapt Technology for all skin types, kaya bagay na bagay kahit sensitive skin ka man. And 50 ml na nga pala to, ha. Sobrang mura nito para sa quality niya. UVA, UVB protection pa. Kaya pag may ganito kagandang produkto, i-check out mo na to.